Hey everyone, you've just bought a piece of digital real estate, a plot of land in the metaverse. To claim ownership, you need to provide proof of address. But what does that even mean in the digital world? Understanding proof of Newton address. Proof of Newton address, PNA, is a cryptographic method used to verify a digital asset's location on the Newton blockchain. It's like a digital driver's license, proving that you're the rightful owner of your virtual property. To understand PNA, let's break it down into two key components. Newton blockchain. This is a decentralized network that records transactions and verifies ownership of digital assets. Cryptographic proof. This is a mathematical puzzle that's incredibly difficult to solve but easy to verify. When you generate a PNA, you're essentially creating a unique cryptographic signature that links your digital asset to your specific location on the Newton blockchain. Steps to generate proof of Newton address. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into the steps to generate a PNA. Access your Newton wallet. The first step is to access your Newton wallet, where you'll store your digital assets. If you don't have a wallet yet, you'll need to create one. Locate the PNA generator. Look for the Generate PNA or similar option within your wallet's interface. Input required information. You may need to provide some information, such as the address of your digital asset. Initiate the generation process. Once you've entered the necessary details, click the Generate button. Verify the PNA. After the generation process is complete, you will receive a unique PNA code. Verify that this code matches the address of your digital asset. Common challenges and solutions. While the process of generating a PNA is relatively straightforward, you may encounter some common challenges. Wallet compatibility. Not all wallets support PNA generation. Ensure that your wallet is compatible with the Newton blockchain. Network congestion. During peak times, the Newton network may experience congestion, which can slow down the generation process. Try generating your PNA during off-peak hours to avoid delays. Incorrect information. If you enter incorrect information during the generation process, your PNA may be invalid. Double-check all details before initiating the process. Additional tips and tricks. Here are a few additional tips to help you generate a PNA successfully. Keep your wallet secure. Protect your wallet with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Backup your PNA. Make sure to back up your PNA code in a secure location. If you lose your PNA, it may be difficult to recover your digital asset. Stay updated. Keep your wallet software and the Newton blockchain updated to ensure compatibility and security. Conclusion. Generating a proof of Newton address is a crucial step in claiming ownership of your digital assets on the Newton blockchain. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily create a PNA and secure your virtual property. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.